Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through Excel error. As said, error is something frustrating that prevents you from getting the original answer or the original thing that you want. Especially like when you enter a data and then doesn't correspond to the language of a computer, which will bring for you an error. So Excel error, it means those answers or the frustrating messages that come out during your tabulating or during your application or multiplication ends. So I'm going to show you an example of error or Excel error. This is my document, or this is what I'm going to use it to show you what an error means. Now I want to get the total of this. So put equal sign. I'm not going to put brackets because error is something which is frustrating and then it makes your work difficult and doesn't speak the language of the computer. As long as your work or the message that you have inserted into the computer does not connect to the language that the computer speaks, just know it's an automatic error. So it's going to respond to you as an error. So that is basically what they call Excel error. For example, let's say I'm not going to put a bracket, but I want to get a total, and we all know that in order for you to get the total, you press sum, and it is a must that you're supposed to put bracket. And if you don't put bracket, let me show you what is going to happen. Let me click from here. You see, these are the kind of examples of error, and this is what they call Excel error. It gives you something which is not correct or something which is contradictory to what you are doing. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos that are coming. See you next time.